Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I'm going to be unboxing a Medusa'S makeup box for you today, and this is what it looks like. This is their Summer Swag Beauty Box, and it was released a couple of weeks ago. So this box is from the US, but they do ship worldwide. Now shipping to the US is free. The box costs $16.95, and in the UK it is $16.95 plus $10 shipping, so it's $26.95 altogether. They also a monthly subscription and a 6 and 12 month subscription, which are at a reduced cost. Plus you can cancel any time. Medusa'S makeup specialises in bold pigment and edgy design. In every box is 4 full-size products, and they're all cruelty free and vegan. I've seen a few unboxings online, and it's a box that has taken my fancy for quite a while, so I've been signed up to their Instagram posts and I've watched other unboxings, so just to get an idea of what the box is like. But then they messaged me this month, so they offered to send me the box for free in exchange for unboxing on my channel, so I snapped it up. I said yes please. So this is my very first Medusa'S makeup box. If you sign up on their website for a newsletter, you'll be given a 10% code off any of these beauty boxes. So all links related to this box and codes etc that I can find, I will link down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click on that, that'll bring up the description and everything will be listed down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to know more information and things. So let's open it up and show you what I received this month, and those are the products. I love the design. Got a little leaflet here that tells you everything about the products inside this month's box, and it tells you the price as well. And the value of this month's box is $44. And then on the other side it gives you a sneak peek of what is to come. So in June there's a festival box, a party box, and then July the heat is on, it's a summer essentials box, and then as I said there's an August box which is the birthday box. So it just gives you information about what to come, which I like. I like that you know the themes coming up, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. There's no information, it's just got the prices, but I'll just refer to it. First item is this gorgeous eyeshadow that is stunning. I absolutely love this colour. I wouldn't create like a eyeshadow look as such with it. It's a sort of colour for me that I would use as a bold under eye sort of shade to wing out to the sides with a black winged eyeliner, or to add it as a winged eyeliner then, or dampen it down and apply it like a wing. It's that vibrant, but for me personally I don't use like sort of blues all the way up here, but I love a blue, a bold shade. Oh! That is so pretty. Is that there? That's the outer packaging, and that's the back. And there, that's the shade. It's like a gorgeous cornflower blue. Really lovely. So let's try a bit on my hand. Yeah, no, it's nice. Really nice. And it's called a Tropical Eyeshadow Martinique, and this is $9. So that's the first item. Next, we've got a Sun-Kissed Bronzer. And that's the outer packaging there. I've had a look inside this box, but I haven't actually opened them up. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing them and trying them. Okay, that's pretty. That looks like there. It looks quite dark on first look. It does look quite dark, as you can tell how pale I am from my fingers. Okay, let's try a little bit on my hand. Ooh, that is quite dark for me. That is super dark. No, and it's too warm for a contour. It's too warm. If it was more of a cooler tone, then having a contour this dark would be fine, because you can apply little bits and then really buff it out. But it's a bronzer, and it's got a little flecks in it as well. Really pretty. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. Tight little gold flecks there. But yeah, can you see? It's not too bad actually. I'm going to have to try it and see what it's like. It is blending out beautifully on my hand. Can you see? So it's blending out really lovely. I think because I'm quite pale, it shocked me to start, but I'm going to give it a go, because I do tend to put a lot of fake tan on in the summer anyway, so I do like to go a little bit darker. To buy this is called the Sun-Kissed Bronzer, and the recommended retail price is $13. So that's that item. Next we've got a lip paint, and that's the outer packaging. Oh my word, that is super bright! Super bright, and this is in shade Get Lucky. That is such a gorgeous colour. There, I'll take the cellophane off because the ring light reflects. That is really pretty. Oh my word. That is super bright. Oh my, it is stunning colour. Stunning colour. Look, can you see there? That is so, so pretty. Now, it's not a normal shade I would go for. I do wear pinks. I do wear a lot of pinks, actually. Even though I've got like ginger hair, I do like to wear clashy colours on my eyes and my face and things. But I was just thinking very minimal sort of eye makeup, but a really bold lip, maybe middle part in my hair and sleek back in a long ponytail. I think, you know, it's quite chiseled cheekbones, and I think this shade will look gorgeous in the summertime with a bit of a tan and some gorgeous highlight. I think, yeah, I think that would be stunning. So I will give it a go and I'll take a photo. Not now, but in the next couple of months I will do it to show you what I mean, what I'm sort of imagining in my mind. So yeah, so not an everyday type of lipstick for me, but definitely one to have fun with, and like maybe on a night out or an afternoon out somewhere or something. So there's that. And then finally we've got the Lovebirds, and this is Life's a Beach, Sea Kelp and Aloe, and this is Hydrating Face Spritzer, and this is 15ml. That's what it looks like there. So what's it say here? Nothing much really. Oh, I forgot to say, the recommended retail price for this lip paint is $12. Sorry, I forgot to say then. So it doesn't say anything about this, but it's Life's a Beach is $10. So it's just, I'm assuming it's just like a nice spray to, hold on, let me shake it. Let me try it. Whoa. Whoa! That's quite harsh. It's not the sort of spray you put on your face if you're about to go out for the night, or if you've got quite a lot of makeup on, or you've done your hair all wavy. That came out with quite a bit of force. Because it's got the sun and sand and things like that, I'm assuming it's a type of spray that you spray on your face to cool you down in the sun. So a nice, like, sort of hydrating, a cooling type of face spray, not a spray that you put on with a load of makeup on your face. But yeah, never mind. So that's that item, so I'm just going to gather them all up. So those are the products inside this month's box. We've got a facial spray, we've got a bronzer, got our eyeshadow, and we've got a lip paint there. So looking at them, it's a different kind of box. It's a makeup box and skincare box, but it's got an edge, isn't it? It's going to have products in there that are going to push your boundaries when it comes to makeup shades. So if you want a subscription box that's a bit edgy, a bit funky, a little bit different, if you want to push your boundaries when it comes to makeup, then I do think that this box is quite cool. I don't know of any box that is similar to this, that is cruelty free and vegan and has like this sort of funky edge to it. It's a little bit different and I do like it. It's not going to be for everyone. If there is subscription boxes similar to this, please let me know down below, because I'd be curious to see what they are like. But yeah, I think it's nice, and thank you to Medusa'S Makeup for sending it to me. I've enjoyed unboxing it and seeing what I received. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think it's worth the money? Is it a box that you would subscribe to yourself, or do you think that no, it's not for you? So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.